Hello and Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will demonstrate a practical proof of the formula for the area of a rectangle, which is area equals length multiplied by width. I will use two rectangles, 6 times 4 and 8 times 3, to show that different dimensions can produce the same area. This activity focuses on reasoning, relational understanding, and meaningful learning. First, I construct a rectangle with a length of 8 units and a width of 3 units. This rectangle has 3 rows and each row contains 8 squares, so the total number of squares is 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is 24. The next rectangle is a length of 6 units and a width of 4 units. Each small square represents 1 square unit. I can count the total number of squares by looking at the rows. There are 4 rows and each row contains 6 squares. Now I will be arranging the small squares on both paper. When I compare both rectangles, I can see that even though their dimensions are different, the total number of square units is the same. Now we are going to prove that. I am arranging the small squares which represent 1 unit on the 6 times 4 paper. Now that I'm done arranging, we can see that I used a total of 24 squares to fill the 6 times 4 um, paper. Now I'm going to use the same amount of squares to fill in the 8 times 3 paper. Now that I'm done arranging, it shows that I used exactly also 24 squares to fill in the 8 times 3 paper. Okay, so first of all, we understand that multiplication involves repeated addition. The same thing goes here. We can see that when I arranging the squares on 8 times 3 paper, I am actually arranging 8 papers, then another 8 papers, and then another 8 papers. Plus, this activity can help us understand the concept more clearly instead of just memorizing the formula. In conclusion, we understand that the formula area equals length multiplied by width, and also it can be proven by repeated addition. And that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching. See you again later. Bye.